Welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a very basic baked chicken recipe. Hope you guys are ready. Before I begin, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and let's jump right in. So here's what you need to make today's recipe. I will be sure to leave everything down below for you guys. This is the seasoning that I'll be using to season the chicken with. So I'm using garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, paprika, as well as some creole seasoning, adobo seasoning with a little bit of chicken bouillon. I am going to mix that together and we'll get ready to season the chicken. I'm using a whole chicken for today's recipe. I just went and cleaned it with some lime and vinegar and salt. Now I'm patting it dry because we don't want any moisture on the skin of the chicken. Then I'm going to flip it over to cut the backbone because by cutting the chicken, it cooks faster. So to remove the backbone, very easy. As you guys can see, you just need a nice sharp kitchen shears to help you cut it. Now once I'm done cutting the backbone, you can save this to make some chicken broth later on if you want, or you can discard it. So next I am going to take my knife, place it right in the middle and give it a nice press to just flat out the chicken even more, as you guys can see. Now it's time to season our chicken. I am going to pour the olive oil on there. Then we're going to rub our hands all over it. Then we're going to start seasoning it. And you can see how generous I am with the seasoning, and that's what's going to help you have a super flavorful baked chicken, okay? So now I am going to flip the chicken over just like so. Add more of the olive oil. It doesn't have to be olive oil. You can use any type of oil. And just drizzle it all over just like so. Rub it in. The oil will help your seasoning stick on there. So you need the oil. Then you are going to start sprinkling the seasoning. Now once I'm done, I am going to grab my baking dish and place my chicken in there. A lot of you guys have been asking, have I been covering the chicken when I bake it? No, I never cover my chicken. You can if you want, but I like the crispiness of the outside of the chicken, so I never cover it. I'm going to bake this on 375 for about 40 minutes because it was a small chicken. And once it's done, this is your final result. Super duper flavorful, absolutely juicy, and I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like. I know it was a short video. Be sure to like it. Let me know you like it. Subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.